Alright, do some little house cleaning. On example 3 on the front page, just cross off E. Just cross off E. On the second page, example 4 is just for you to read, and I think you can read those. And then I have 2 example 4, so if you'll change this to example 5, that would be good. And then change example 5 to example 6. Not that it really matters, but there we have them changed. So now let's work example 6. It says that in chemistry, so we're going to do chemistry problems, and we've got this formula, pH is equal to negative log H positive, okay? And we want to find the pH of stomach acid, or we want to find the acidity of stomach acid and the acidity of blood. So we'll start with the stomach acid. Which says it is 2. So we have 2 equal negative log of H positive. Multiply both sides by negative, so negative 2 equals log of H positive. Now what's the base? 10. So we have 10 to the negative 2 equals H positive. Okay? Well, put in your calculator. If you'll set your mode to scientific, you'll set your mode to scientific, then all you have to do is put in your calculator 10 to the negative 2, and it gives you 1, negative 2. So what is that? Well, to write that, we're going to say 1 times 10 to the negative 2. 1 times 10 to the negative 2. So that's the acidity of stomach acid. Doesn't seem very acidic. So let's find blood. Really nice things to be finding here. And blood has a pH of 7.4. 7.4 equals negative log of H positive. So negative 7.4 equals log of H positive. It's base 10, so we have 10 to the negative 7.4 equals H positive, which equals, in turn, we'll take our calculator and do 10 to the negative 7.4, and that gives us 3.98, and that negative 8, that's the 10. So this is approximately 3.98 times 10 to the negative 8 power. Okay? So that was A. What are their hydrogen ion concentrations? So that's what we found. This was part A. Part B says, how many times greater is the hydrogen ion concentration of the stomach acid than that of the blood? How much greater is the stomach acid than the blood? So, to find that, we are going to take and we'll put stomach acid and divide that by blood. Looks like my pen has run out. I'll have to finish it out in red. Oh, how funny. It's blood. This is H and H, which will cancel out, correct? So the stomach acid was 1 times oops, I'm sorry, we don't need the 1. We just need the 10 to the negative 2 over 10 to the negative 8, which will give us 10 to the negative 2 minus the negative 8. Remember your exponent rules. And so when I do that, negative 2 plus 8 is going to give me 10 to the 6th. So that's the answer to B. It is how many times greater is the hydrogen than the, so it's 6. And then C, by how many orders of magnitude do the concentrations differ? 6 orders of magnitude. Okay, that's example 6.